How to change date and time on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To change date and time on Android, first of all launch settings. Scroll down. Locate the option of additional settings and tap on it. After that, tap date and time. And here you can easily change your time format. First of all, let's choose time format option and you can make it to 24 hours. And here you need to toggle the button of for set time automatically. Now you can choose the date and change the date from this section. And likewise, tap on time and now you can change your time manually. You can even set the time zone automatically or else set it manually. Toggle the button off for that. Select time zone. And here you can easily choose your time zone and change your time zone as well. So by following this way, you can easily change date and time on Android. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.